West cannot repeat the advice often enough from the Gardaí. Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted.
Look at this. Look at this man. In the rain. You know you can get sick being out here in the rain?
Hey, you call this rain? You go to the Philippines, you see your house floating in the river. Are you kidding me? That's just a bucket. That's just drop in the bucket. Are you kidding?
Meanwhile,
In Manila, hindi kita maririnig.